Are you over 50 and confused about AI? Well, you can start here, where in plain English, I'll explain AI as a helper, learner, and mirror. No technical jargon involved. And over the next several weeks, subscribe and you'll get daily, easily understandable snippets for people over 50, small businesses, and solos. To follow the series, hit the subscribe button now. And because you've gotten this far, here's a short webinar segment that I recorded yesterday that explains AI and makes sense for beginners.
So what is AI in plain language? AI is a helper. It's like a smart assistant that listens. And because it listens and doesn't have an opinion or emotions, you can ask it a lot of different things and it's not going to get upset with you. It's not going to lose patience with you. Like if we interact with each other, sometimes someone may get impatient when you ask the same question 3 times because you don't understand what they're asking. In AI, that doesn't happen. And while it may respond in a way that feels like there's an emotion involved, it's really not. It's based on, honestly, an aggregate of all kinds of knowledge that it has learned in how it should respond to a human being when they ask a question. It can give useful suggestions and recommendations, but we have to use our discernment in doing that and using whatever they provided. Now, I'll have an example of what that is later on. But we have to remember it's supposed to be a help. AI is also a learner. As you interact more with whatever AI you're using, it will study patterns of how you use it. And because it's gathering information on how you interact with it, it will then start to respond to you in ways that make more sense to you. So when you first start out with AI, it will give you really generic answers based on its analysis and what it has gathered from other areas of the internet and the databases it has access to. But as it learns you, it's sort of like a friendship. And I balance that word because they're not emotionally connected to you, but it does learn about your preferences over time. And because it learns, it tries to find the best fit for the question that you're posing to it and provide you appropriate answers that match. AI is also a mirror. So as it's collecting data about you or the questions that you've asked, it also reflects back what it sees. So if it notices that you use certain cadence when you ask a question or you use certain terminology, it will reflect that back to you in its responses so that it knows that you will understand the words that it uses. But again, it doesn't think and it doesn't feel.
I hope you enjoyed that short segment. Click on the like button if you enjoyed it. Comment start to get my beginners playlist and a simple one-page guide. For email, send a start to Cherise plus IT at heartcentricai.com. Subject start, and I'll send it to you next week. Have a great day.